American Rumba is one of the very foundational dances within the art. Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me today. In this video, I'm going to show you guys the basic step of American Rumba. American Rumba is a foundational dance within the American rhythm dances. So without further ado, let's get to it. Before we learn how to do the steps for American Rumba, I would like to briefly show you guys how to do the Latin posture correctly. For the posture, we're going to keep our feet in nice V shape, so our heels are together and toes are slightly apart. From there, our ankles, knees, hips, and shoulders are nicely stacked up. Our abs are engaged, chest open, and shoulders down. Imagine someone is pulling you up straight towards the sky, and our feet are feeling grounded. So throughout the whole time, if you can focus on keeping a nice stretched out posture, that would help you keep a good presentation as well as the good balance. Now that we've covered our posture, it's time for us to learn how to do the basic step of American Rumba. For your convenience, I'm going to switch our view into a mirror image view so it's easier for you to see and learn. For our first step, we're going to step forward with the left foot and step to the side, bring it together. Afterwards, we are going to go back with the right foot, step to the left, and bring it together. That's it, guys. So we are creating a nice box step. You're going to step forward with the left, to the side with the right, bring it together, go back with the right, step to the left, and bring it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward, side together, back, side together, left, right, left, right, left, right. As you guys can tell, we are shifting our feet back and forth. So remember guys, not to brush your feet straight back. Always drop your weight as you step forward, side together, back, side together. I'm going to turn around so that you guys can see me from the other angle. We are stepping forward with the left foot. Right to the side, bring it together. Right foot back. Left foot to the side, bring it together. Forward, side together, back, side together, left, right, left, right, left, right. Very good. Now that we've learned how to take our steps, I would like to briefly discuss what our footwork is going to be for American Rumba. It's really important while you're doing the basic step to brush your feet, and throughout the whole time, your footwork is going to be ball flat, ball flat, ball flat. So you are stepping forward, brushing your left foot forward, ball flat, right foot ball flat, left foot ball flat. As you step back with the right foot, ball flat, ball flat, ball flat. One thing that I highly recommend you guys to try is to brush your feet. Otherwise, even if you're taking your steps ball flat, you might end up looking like this, which we want to avoid doing, yes? So brush your feet, ball flat, brush, ball flat, brush, ball flat. Your feet should stay on the ground during the whole basic step and step down with a ball flat, ball flat. Very good. It is time for us to focus on timing a little bit. I'm going to count it out as I do the basic steps so it's easy for you guys to hear it and to get some ideas of how the timing works in American Rumba basic step. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. As you guys can hear it, there are 4 counts within one basic step. 1, 2, is slow. 3, 4 are each quicks. So remember to take it slow as your count progresses and make sure to take step quick enough for the 3 and 4. Now it is time for us to try to the music. Make sure our feet are in nice V shape. 5, 6, 7, 8, forward, side together, back, side together. Brush your feet, nice posture.
Walk into the place, a spot you from a ways. My heart, it started racing.
It is time for us to talk about techniques. For American Rumba, Cuban motion is important. So I'm going to introduce you guys a practice that's going to help you advance in your Cuban motion. If you haven't watched our Latin dance drill series, I highly recommend you guys to watch through those Latin drills in order for you to advance and enhance your Latin dance skills. For this practice, we are going to keep our feet about shoulder width, and our focus is on our hips, moving forward, side, back, and forward, side, back. Shift your weight a little bit back and forth as you focus on each side of the hip, drawing forward, side, back, as you transfer your weight onto that hip. So you're creating a nice 8-figure shape laying sideways as well as, infinity shape. Practice that back and forth at your leisure to enhance the Cuban motion in your Latin dancing. So how does this Cuban motion apply to our basic step? As you're taking a step forward with the left foot, we are going to draw a small circle with the left, forward, side, back. To your right foot, hip drawing forward, side, back. As you bring your hip together, left hip, forward, side, back. As you step back, right hip draws forward, side, back. Left hip, forward, side, back. Right hip, forward, side, back. Each time you're drawing your step, you're going to draw a small circle leading forward, side, back with each hip. Forward, side, back, forward, side, back, forward, side, back, and forward, side, back, forward, side, back, forward, side, back. I'm going to demonstrate it sideways so it's easier for you guys to see. Left hip, forward, side, back, right, forward, side, back. Forward, side, back, right, forward, side, back, left, forward, side, back, right, forward, side, back. If this is your first time trying out the American Rumba basic step for the very first time, I wouldn't stress out too much on getting this Cuban motion perfectly. But if you have done it for a while now and you feel comfortable with taking the steps to the music, I highly recommend you guys to begin using your hip movement and Cuban motion to add that Latin flair. Thank you guys so much for joining me for American Rumba basic step. I hope you guys had fun learning the basic step and trying it to the music with me. If you like our videos, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our future videos. I look forward to seeing you guys next week with another video. Bye!